Hi everyone, today I'm making something called haldi pani, which is translated to turmeric water, and it's something my mother-in-law has been making for us for about a year and a half now, and it's known to boost your immunity, and turmeric is known to help with a lot of health issues. You can Google it and it'll all come up, but I thought it was a fitting time given everything going on to share this recipe with you. The ingredients for the turmeric water are half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half a teaspoon of whole black peppercorn. So it's pretty easy to remember that. And if you look at my dish, it's one that we got in Turkey when we were able to travel a long time ago, and I love it, so I keep using it in my videos. So I'm going to give you a second to admire my dish. You will also need to bring 2 cups of water to a boil. So while the water is boiling, I'm going to show you a really cute craft my kids did yesterday. They made octopi with toilet paper rolls. Here are our cute little octopus friends that my kids made with the toilet paper rolls. I don't know why Rami's is kind of like curling up right there, but they made them with googly eyes and strings of beads. It kept them busy for a bit. And we learned about octopi and what the letter it starts with and how many tentacles it has. And now Mama has a cheesy joke for you. And it goes like this. How many tickles does it take to make an octopus laugh? I'll give you a second. 10 tickles. 10 tickles. 10 tickles. Get it? So now you see that the water is boiling. You are just going to take your entire ingredients and throw it in there. And put it on lower heat and let it boil for 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, 2 cups should become 1 cup. When you're ready to serve, you're going to need 3 cups to drink from, 1 spoon, and 1 strainer. The spoon is to stir right before you drink it because all the nutrients kind of sink to the bottom. So when you stir it, you'll make sure you get it into your system. And you'll also need a strainer to pour it because you want to make sure that the peppercorns and the cumin seeds don't get into your cup. Now we're going to empty this in 3 separate bowls, and we're going to use a strainer to do it. 1, 2, and 3. And make sure you have this within 4 hours, otherwise it kind of loses the effect.